Volcanoes have helped shape our planet. They provide life, but also can take life away. Here's our list of the top 5 volcano eruptions caught on camera. At number 5, we have Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano, which erupted in 2013. Popocatépetl erupts every few years. Nearby residents have learned to stay well clear of this volcano. Last year, Mount Shindaike erupted in Japan, which covered nearby towns in ash and dust for weeks. Luckily, the volcano is situated on an island, so most of the magma floats safely into the ocean below. These mountain climbers are certainly lucky to be alive after Mount Kushino Erubijima erupted in Japan. They quickly take cover behind rocks to shield themselves from the elements. Costa Rica's Turrialba volcano erupted also last year. No one was reported to have been killed, but nearby airports and facilities had to be shut down for days until the ash subsided. Perhaps the most famous of all volcanoes, Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980. 57 people died in this eruption, making it one of the most deadly volcano eruptions in modern times. Please subscribe for more Top 5 videos, or check out my previous Top 5 video on oddly satisfying videos.